For a comprehensive guide on various plants, herbs, vegetables, and fruits, including their health benefits and uses, consider subscribing to curesbase.com. With that said, let's dive into our video content.
Hello, YouTube family! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we dive into 7 fruits that you can eat before bed at night and expect a return on investment in your bathroom the next morning. Let's get started. Number 1. Avocado, the fiber powerhouse. Avocados are a superb choice for improving digestive health, particularly when consumed at night. They're packed with both soluble and insoluble fibers, balancing water absorption and adding bulk to stools, which facilitates easier passage and promotes regular bowel movements. This nutrient-rich fruit can significantly reduce the risk of constipation, making it a valuable addition to your evening routine. Enjoying a slice of avocado toast or a small bowl of guacamole before bed not only provides a satisfying mix of fiber and healthy fats, but also supports digestive wellness without feeling overly heavy. These simple, nutritious snacks not only take advantage of the digestive benefits of avocados, but also help prevent going to bed hungry, paving the way for a comfortable morning routine. Number 2. Papaya, the tropical digestive aid. Continuing our look at foods beneficial for digestive health when eaten at night, papaya stands out for its unique qualities. Not merely a tropical treat, papaya offers significant digestive support thanks to papain, an enzyme effective in breaking down proteins for smoother digestion. Eating papaya before sleep can ease the digestive process, leading to a more comfortable morning. Its fiber content complements papayan's work by preventing constipation and ensuring the smooth transit of food. Number 3. Kiwi, the sleep promoter. Eating kiwi before bedtime does more than just aid digestion. It also enhances sleep quality. Kiwis are packed with dietary fiber and an enzyme known as actinidine, which functions similarly to papaya's papain in breaking down proteins, facilitating smoother digestion. Additionally, kiwis contain serotonin, a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in sleep by helping your brain relax and promoting easier sleep onset. Consuming a kiwi an hour before sleep offers a delicious and tangy nighttime snack option. This small fruit's blend of sleep-inducing serotonin and digestive enzymes makes it an ideal choice for those looking to improve both their digestive health and sleep patterns. Number 4. Prunes, the natural laxative. Transitioning to another well-regarded ally in digestive wellness, prunes. Known for their potent fiber content and sorbitol, a sugar alcohol with natural laxative effects, prunes facilitate bowel movements, making them a solid choice for an evening snack. Incorporating a serving of prunes into your nightly routine could significantly enhance your morning bathroom visits, contributing to a smoother start to your day. However, it's essential to consume prunes in moderation, as their efficiency as a laxative means that overindulgence could lead to uncomfortable digestive reactions. Opting for a small serving can help maintain the balance, ensuring you reap the benefits without any potential downsides. Prunes' dual action of fiber and sorbitol works synergistically to not only soften stools, but also to stimulate the intestines, promoting regularity. Number 5. Apples, an apple a day. The age-old saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, extends its wisdom into the realm of digestive health. Apples are a powerhouse of pectin, a soluble fiber that not only aids in regulating bowel movements, but also speeds them up. This makes apples an excellent pre-bedtime snack for fostering overnight digestive activity. Consuming an apple with its skin provides an optimal amount of fiber, as a significant portion of an apple's fiber content is in its skin. This natural source of fiber works throughout the night, helping to streamline digestive processes and promote regularity by morning. Remember, choosing to eat the apple whole rather than juiced or peeled maximizes its poop benefits. Number 6. Pears, the gentle fiber source. Pears are a fantastic choice for aiding digestion, packed with both soluble and insoluble fiber to ensure regular bowel movements and suit those with sensitive stomachs. Their fiber content softens stools and speeds their passage through the intestines, making pears an effective snack before bed for smoother morning routines. Its natural sweetness offers a healthy way to satisfy nighttime cravings, fostering a better gut environment. Incorporating pears into your evening diet not only promotes pooping health, but also adds essential nutrients to your diet. Number 7. Berries, the antioxidant-rich choice. Wrapping up our list of beneficial evening foods for digestion and bowel health, berries like strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries stand out. These fruits are antioxidant-rich and loaded with dietary fiber, which is excellent for digestion. A small bowl of mixed berries as a nighttime snack can pleasantly support your digestive system through the night. Their fiber content not only bulks up the stool, but also fosters a healthy gut microbiome, easing bowel movements by morning. The variety in berries delivers diverse fibers and nutrients, enhancing their digestive benefits further. Their hydration contributes to stool softness, easing its passage, and their natural sweetness provides a healthful, flavorful treat. There you have it, 7 fruits that when eaten at night can help ensure you start your day on the right foot, feeling light and more importantly, comfortable. Remember, incorporating these fruits into your diet should go hand in hand with overall healthy eating habits and a good night's rest. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Healthy Life for more tips on healthy living. Until next time, stay healthy and see you in the next video.